today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and control a meeting using Google Meet. Whether you're a teacher, manager, or simply someone facilitating an online gathering, these steps will help you ensure that your meeting runs smoothly and efficiently. To begin with, open your web browser and navigate to Google Meet. This is a platform that allows you to hold video conferences with participants from all over the world. Google Meet is quite user-friendly, making it a favorite for both business and personal use. Now, on the main Google Meet page, you have the option to either join an existing meeting or create a new one. Click on whichever is appropriate for your purpose. Creating a new meeting will generate a link that you can share with your attendees to invite them to the session. Once you're in the meeting, your next step is to locate the host controls. You can find this in the bottom right corner of the screen, represented by a padlock icon. This is your control center during the meeting. Clicking on the padlock icon will open up the host management settings. Next, you'll want to enable host management. This is an important feature that gives you, as the host, the power to restrict what participants can do during the meeting. Turning on host management is crucial if you need to control who can share their screen, send reactions, or even use their microphone and camera. It gives you command over your meeting environment, allowing you to decide when and if participants can engage in these activities, ensuring a more structured meeting experience. Once host management is enabled, you can also opt to allow or disallow participants from sending messages. This can be particularly useful if you want to maintain focus or limit distractions during a presentation or lecture. If you choose to toggle this option on, be mindful that participants can use the chat function to interact with you or other attendees during the meeting. After making these adjustments and setting your preferences, you're all done with the setup. You've now harnessed the full capacity of Google Meet's host controls to maintain the flow and direction of your meeting. Thanks to these robust features, you can feel confident in your ability to manage participant interaction, keep distractions to a minimum, and ensure a productive meeting. I hope this guide helps make your next Google Meet session more organized and effective. As always, practice makes perfect, so the more you use these tools, the more adept you'll become at using Google Meet like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy meeting hosting.